So today we've come up to the tops of Darwin for a camp just to watch the solar eclipse and hopefully the Perseid meteor shower. So fingers crossed we can get a good view at night. The sky is pretty clear. The sunset is absolutely stunning. So yeah, fingers crossed. So this is the kids' bedroom for the night. Oh, I just nearly fell off the ladders. Had a bit of airing because it's 30 degrees at the minute. It's absolutely boiling. But that's their setup. Then I'm going to be pitching in the back of the car with some new gear that I've got. I'm going to give that a trial, but I'm not going to set that up until later. It's too bloody hot. Right, so do you guys know what's happening tonight?
Yeah.
What?
An eclipse.
And what happens with an eclipse?
The moon goes over the sun, and then even if it's light as day, it goes all dark.
Yeah. So we've come camping. We're going to watch the eclipse, and then later on tonight there's meant to be a meteor shower as well.
Yeah, I heard. What's that?
A meteor shower, like all the shooting stars in the sky.
So it's moving. It looks like
Yeah.
moving.
So we're gonna spend the afternoon here.
Yeah.
Gonna play some games, chill for a couple of hours. We'll have some cheeseburgers for tea. Yeah. And then we'll watch the eclipse. Hopefully get to see some meteors. Okay?
Yeah.
When we're watching the eclipse, you've got to be really, really careful. You cannot look up at it. So I brought some things so we can actually watch it project down onto the floor, so that we're not having to look up at the sun because it can damage our eyes. Okay?
So we're not going to be doing that.
Yes. Don't look up at the sun at any point.
Wait, did we do any snacks, Mum?
Any what? Snacks? I brought a couple.
Because I want to put them in my little pouch.
This is our camp spot, ready for the eclipse. Right on top of the hill, and from the last time I stayed here, the sun should set just around here, which should provide a beautiful shot of the eclipse, hopefully.
Hi! Hello. We've been that close to the window, but we will stop it. It doesn't matter. Does it only go dark for like a second?
No, so I think the eclipse starts at about 6:15. I think it ends about 8:30. I think it takes about an hour and a half for the moon to fully pass in front of the sun.
That's going to look nice. I might take a video.
You'll have to be careful though, because you can't look up at the sun, can you? The kids are wasting absolutely no time in making some new friends, which is brilliant. Leave me to enjoy my evening. It's a beautiful day though. It's absolutely scorching hot, but it is a stunning day. Hopefully this eclipse will be really good tonight. We shall see.
Ready? You have to take it. Can I take this cork out and put some water in it?
Hello.
Hi, you're right.
Yeah, you.
Not so bad.
Warm, isn't it?
It is. It is. It's an absolute scorcher.
Yeah,
We'll get it in whilst we can though.
that's it. We just complain when it rains, don't we?
Exactly.
And that's a time to go. Hopefully there's not many people, so we have more spare. Yeah. What time is it, Mum?
About 5:30, I think. 6?
Coming soon.
25 to 6, yeah. It'll be starting the next half an hour or so.
Already? I'm so excited for this. Did you sit with us while we watched that? Yeah.
You alright?
Tom, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, I'm Laura.
Laura. I have to ask, how's a tent roof like?
Absolutely brilliant. Yeah, absolutely love it. It's
Really?
great.
My wife last night went, why don't you go camping with the kids? I thought, it's a bloody good idea.
Yeah.
And it just like, do we do it last night, tonight, and then with the eclipse happening, I thought,
But
sod
this
it.
is it. I was looking to see where we could go, and everybody's going up to Darwin Tower. So I was like, I'm not fighting through the crowds and, you know, listening to everybody and all that sort of stuff. I'd rather come somewhere where we've got a bit of space.
Yeah.
And do a 2-in-1 as well, so it gets them out the house. And
Yeah, I thought it'd be busier.
well, it's Meteor shower as well tonight. Have you seen
I
that?
just heard the girls say
Yeah.
when they came over for
Yeah.
Lydia before.
Apparently, it's one of the best meteor showers in the Northern Hemisphere as well. So it should, and tonight's the peak, so it should be.
We looked out, didn't we?
Yeah.
That's all right.
And it's a new moon, so there won't be much light pollution. So it's literally all tied in perfect. So
All
that's
we
what I
need is the
mean.
pub to deliver a couple of cold pints. We're
Exactly,
sorted, aren't we? Really?
exactly.
That's all right. That.
I don't
Feel
want
free to join us in a bit.
I will do. I'll come over and join you. Thank you.
No worries.
Leave.
Right. You just want cheese on one of yours?
Oh, how you said that you can turn around and like do it like a selfie. Is that for what's going on like very very soon, or is that?
The eclipse, yeah. It'll be done. It'll be on in 20 minutes.
Wait,
Oh, not long to go, guys. Are you excited?
yeah. It's gonna be hard. Well, is it gonna be darker than it usually is?
No, there'll still be a little bit of light because I think it's only 91% illumination. Ginge, Ginge, do you want some of this cheese, babe?
Yes, please. I'm having mine. This will be good. Is there onions in it?
No. We've got our burger. Waiting for the eclipse. Yeah. So if you look at it through your selfie screen, can you see? You might want to clean your fingerprints off it, but that should be a good view, that.
Where's the moon?
So the moon, about now, will be coming up towards the sun, and then it'll pass in front of the sun. Hopefully that'll capture it. There we go, 1 minute to go. Apparently you can see it.
I can see like a thing behind the sun. It's like,
Oh, it is.
is it?
Come here.
Oh, it's turning.
It's coming in from the right hand side, can you see? Can you see on this side how the sun's left its circle?
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's well cool.
Yeah, so it'll keep coming across and coming across and coming across, and then it'll cover it all up.
That's actually cool though.
It is, isn't it?
Get me a picture.
So, hopefully when it starts to change, the circles on the paper will all start, you know, like you'll be able to see loads of little suns
Oh, that would
moving.
be cool.
Hopefully that'll work.
You can already see some little lights there. Oh, look at the
It's starting, can you see it?
Yeah, I've just like spotted it right
Round up and
inside.
You can just grab it, can't you?
Yeah.
Wait, no.
Oh wow, God, you can really see it now. End of the world, guys.
Don't say that. Yeah, look. Can you see it?
Oh, I'm so excited. I can't see it. 13 minutes in. This one.
Sit there.
Are you sure?
These are
It's a
hard enough
magic
in the
for
tent
now
anyway.
on.
Oh.
It's a magic for now on. It's filled up more.
It has on
Has
the
it?
side, hasn't it? Just
Mama,
come for a
that's
bit with you.
it.
Do you want, come and have a look at this if you want.
Look at that. Who's got the better phone?
Can you see it?
See the boo behind it. It's filling up.
Can you see it?
Yeah, it's filling up.
It is, isn't it? It's proper covering it over.
Once you just look at it from straight away, you can see it straight away. It's Pac-Man. There you go.
What do you mean? Can I see any
The
phone?
Pac-Man, the game.
That's coming over proper, though, that. There it is. Can you see it?
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
That's 7 or something like that, wasn't it?
Yeah, how about we now?
So we're nearly there, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Evening.
Alright.
Can I move it over there for now? What, you get your tree? Aye.
Can you see it there on my phone, Lily Mae?
Yeah. It's like, it looks like a, you know them baby ninjas that like big TV shows?
That's getting really crisp on the edge now, that, isn't it?
How are you looking at it?
You are?
How are you looking at it? Oh
Yeah, I'd say we're at a good halfway point now.
over the sun.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
That's really cool, that, isn't it?
Yeah,
Starting
it
to
is.
turn dark now.
So obviously this is all the moon here that's taking it over.
It looks like it's eating it.
It does, doesn't it?
Oliver, I'm sitting down in my chair.
Is it working doing the selfie thing? You don't work on mine.
Don't ask why.
Your phone working?
No, I'm just...
It's proper. Where's it gone now?
Oh yeah,
You see it?
wow.
Hold on.
It's proper taking over. Oh, it won't be long until it's completely covering that now.
God, that's a really weird light when you look across the field, isn't it?
Yeah. So what I mean, when you look over there, like look to the, like how it's all casting, it looks really odd.
Remy's
That's
cousin,
really
she's eating grass.
Don't do that. That'll make sick. That'll make sick.
Remy's cousin wants ate the insulation. Is it just me or
Well, okay, well, don't be like Remy.
Can we see what?
Fluffy thing.
No, sweetheart.
Oh yeah, there. What the? That actually is. What? Give me. Oh my goodness. I need my normal glasses.
Temperature's definitely dropping.
What is it here to? It's perfect. That.
It's really bizarre,
Yeah,
isn't
look
it?
Look at that.
Oh wow,
That's brilliant.
it is, isn't it?
That's exactly it.
That's mental.
But it's upside down.
Which one's the sun and which one's the moon?
Yeah, it's the sunspots of the thing.
The sun is the big bright one, and then the moon's the black one. So are we coming? I think it's coming back down the other side now, isn't it? Can you see? Hold on.
Have we?
Oh yeah.
I think we have.
Oh yeah, we've had it. Oh, wait.
Oh, it's coming down, yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't looked.
Yeah, it must be.
What?
Yeah, it's definitely fully past now.
Well, yeah, in Manchester, it's 13 minutes past was full as much as you'll get it.
We're an hour north, aren't we? Thereabouts.
So we probably have it.
I'm
Yeah,
only
it's like
gonna
it's
look
come,
at it when
so
it's
yeah, must have come across the bottom part of it then.
Right, we're taking the tent down. We're going on.
Disappointed.
Yeah, it's all right.
I'm gonna
I
really,
really
really
thought
bad
we'd have a
review.
moment of like, it's all right,
Yeah.
I got an idea.
I expected a bit more from that moment.
I thought it was gonna go darker.
Get away. Wait, this is got someone else to be.
Yeah, it's past it now, so it's going to start getting lighter again now. It's tomorrow.
I remember watching it in '99 in Reflection of a Car. It was really good.
I can like pick
Do it like this.
yesterday.
Do you see it?
What?
Yeah, it's definitely fully past now.
Don't use the people
You're not using mine and the special ones.
Oh yeah, I can see
No.
it now.
Well,
Went
he's
down
not
to the
letting
left.
me use the colour.
Lily.
Brand new special ones. So you know.
Yeah, this is our life now.
We're here for rest up week, get comfort. You know, Galloway is a beautiful place for stargazing.
Is it?
I go up every October because there's the Draconoid meteor shower up there, and honest to God, there's not an inch of the sky without a star in. It's one of the UK's dark spots, so there's like no light pollution.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah,
can see it.
yeah. I was in Spain a few years ago. Me and my dad were up to like 2 o'clock on the balcony deck. In the last one turned around and it was a meteor and it split into 3.
No
It
way.
went So it must have just hit the atmosphere, split into three and went off, and it had only one object, so they didn't have the time to go, and turn around. Like,
Look at that one there moving.
Oh yeah. It's a different path, isn't it? All the little ones are popping out, aren't they now?
because they're very, very far away. So
Oh, there's another one over there. Moving to the right, can you see it?
we just watched that.
I think so. Satellite spotting. It's a new hobby. It's crazy.
Lydia, can you watch this? Lydia, but then again.
So, all set up in bed for the evening. I'm inside the car. I don't know if you can see. I've got these little privacy window screen things that I've just pulled down with my pillows like an idiot. So yeah, I'm gonna get a good night's sleep, but it's been an absolutely lovely day. We've met a couple of lovely families and we watched the meteor shower, not the meteor shower, the eclipse. Tried to watch the meteor shower, but unfortunately we can't see very much of it, which is super sad. But the kids have had a lovely time, absolutely loved it. They've made some new friends, they've run off, burnt loads of energy off. It's been a brilliant evening. So yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep, and until our next adventure, ta-ra.